Hi, I'm Ray. Well, today I'm after some compost. So I'm going around a few stores and getting some prices. So I'm looking for some good deals. So let me know what deals around at our local stores for some compost. First, we're going to have a look in Homebase. They've got quite a big selection of compost, manures and tomato bags. So let's have a look and show you. So in Homebase we've got 50 litres of multi-purpose peat-free, and that's 3 for £18 or £7 each. We've also got the same 50 litres, and that's 3 for £24 or £9 each. And the same for the shrub, rose and tree compost. Miracle Grow peat free is £8, 40 litres. New Horizon £9 for 50 litres. New Horizon tomato planter 3 for £18 or £8 each. So we tried some of this last year, and this was Super Grow, and these are 10 for £30 or £5 each, or 3 for £12. New Horizon 3 for £24 or £9 each, or Westlands with John Innes 3 for £20 or £9 each. Also Levingtons 40 litres, they're £7 each. And we've got Farmyard manure from Super Grow. These are 3 for £12 or £5 each. Westlands all purpose, and that is 2 for £20 or £12.95. We've also got Westlands multi-purpose, and this is 3 for £25 or £9 each. So now we're down at B&Q, and it's a bit cold, but we're going to have a look at the prices of what they've got the compost for down in B&Q. So let me show you. So B&Q, I've got peat-free multi all-purpose Miracle Grow, and these are £8, and that's 50 litres. B&Q also do their own Verve, and this is a multi-purpose peat-free, and this is £7 for 50 litres. They've also got the large 100 litres, and these are £12.50. They've got a Westland peat-free multi-purpose compost with added John Innes, and these are 50 litres, and these are £8.50. New Horizon all plant compost, these are 50 litres, and these are £8. There's Good Home 100% peat free, and these are 50 litres, and they are £7.50. They're doing a tomato planter, Big T. This is what we used last year, and they are £7.50. There's also a smaller vegetable grow bag from Good Home, and they are £4.20. So for a bonus, they've had these hanging baskets in a box outside, and they were for donation. So I put a couple of quid in. We've got some new hanging baskets for the week. So my next stop is the range. Let's go and have a look and see what prices we've got compost in the range are. So the range has got this New Horizon all vegetable compost. And these are 50 litres, and they're selling at £7.99 each, or 2 for £13. They've got a Westlands multi-purpose compost. These are 25 litres, and these are £5.49, or 2 for £10. And also Miracle Grow, Super Grow, and the New Horizons, but none of them have got prices on, so that's not really any help whatsoever. They've got a Levington's Essentials, but there's no prices on these, so we don't know what they are. They've also got this Arthur Brown's multi-purpose compost in 100 litres, but also no price. So if we find the prices for these, I'll add them in the description below, but that's pretty helpful at the range. So next we're in Wickes, and although they have a small gardening section, they had some good deals last year on compost. So let's have a look and see if I can find some. So Wickes are doing 50 litres of their own peat-free multi-purpose compost, and that is £7.25. They've also got the New Horizons, and that's 50 litres, and that is £8. We've got some farmyard manure from Westlands, and that's 50 litres, and that's £8. Ideal for soil conditioning. We've got 100 litres of Wickes multi-purpose compost, and these are £13.50. And we've also got a John Innes 50 litres Westland multi-purpose, and that is £6.75. That looks quite nice. They've also got a pallet of Gardener's Westland multi-purpose compost, and I've just opened the pallet, but there's no price on this, so that's 50 litres. So my next store I'm going to visit is a B&M, and this has got a garden centre, so let's have a look and see if they've got any. So B&M have also got the Westland multi-purpose, and this is 50 litres, and these are £5.99 each, or 3 for £15. They've also got the Miracle Grow all-purpose, and these are $7.99 each, for 2 for 14. And they've also got Jack's Magic, which is the first time I've seen Jack's Magic. And these are 50 litres, and these are selling at $8.99. And Jack's Magic has been quite a popular choice recently, so that's good to know. And also Westlands West Plus multi-purpose feeds for 4 months. These are 100 litres, and these are $11.99. And they've also got the New Horizon Westlands all plant compost for $7.49 for 50 litres. Also a grow bag, 35 litre grow bag from Westlands is $4.49. And they've also got the big tomato planter, which is $7.49. And they've also got bags of farmyard manure, 50 litres, Westlands, and these are $6.99. So it's quite a good selection from B&M. They've got a garden centre. So I hope that helps in some new deals and compost prices around your local stores. So let me know, what compost do you use and what prices have you got? Have you got any good deals? Can you beat any of these deals? Let me know in the comments below, that would be most interesting. And do remember, once you've purchased your compost, put it in your greenhouse or your shed, because these are frozen solid and you need to get it defrosted and nice and warm, ready for your planting. So if you're new to my channel, please subscribe, ring that bell, get notifications when I post some more. Cheers!